Today I'm gonna start a project that I pushed away for the past 6 months. I'm gonna build another one of this. This is LOKI 2.0. For the one of you that are not familiar with this is LOKI, an electric violin that I built years ago. It is probably my third scratch build and my first ever series on this channel that if you haven't seen yet, still don't do it. It's very bad. I record that with a webcam and a laptop. This was dark. It's not great. It's not great. Let's put it this way. But if you're interested in this, you can now watch it on this series. Now, I want to start this project for mainly two reasons. The first one is that, like I said, I built this year ago with a limited set of tool and even more limited set of skill. And even though this is actually holding on great, I can improve this design a little bit. I want to make a couple of changes, mainly make the body thinner, remove material from the bottom, and I want to put, like an acoustic violin, the ridge that you can see on the side. The reason is that these changes will gonna make the instrument compatible with the violin part that you can find at any music store. And talking about parts, I'm also going to swap this ukulele tuning peg for guitar tuning peg, because turns out that the E string here is actually putting a lot of pressure to that tuning peg. The second reason why I want to work on this project is because I actually enjoyed the violin a little bit more during the last year, and I want to make a couple of changes just for this specific one that I'm building today, that are probably going to be considered cardinal sin against conventional luthiery. The keen eye between you probably already noticed that this violin has frets and fret dots. They work mostly like a point of reference for your finger. And I love it because I don't have to go over the extensive ear training that you have to go for a normal violin, a fretless violin. And I love it. I just want to enjoy the violin, so I'm gonna put frets on this also, and I want to get rid of this tall bridge. And to do so, I'm going to lower the neck, and I'm going to lower by probably 20 degrees this neck break angle, which is quite a lot. It's really quite a lot, and I don't need that. Also, but I don't know if I can pull that off, I want to actually remove the tailpiece and the wooden bridge for guitar saddle. I know, but I should be able to tune this thing better and fine-tune with the frets better if I have guitar saddle. And you will see it with me, if and only if tomorrow I will not find a luthier at my doorstep with a knife for punishing me. It's gonna probably happen, pretty sure, in the comments. In any case, until then, let's start to work and let's see the material. some solid progress were made. Here I have the central part. It's not perfectly done. It still needs to be refined in a lot of points, but already this is a good starting point. And before I move to refine this even more, we are now at the point where I need to choose what fingerboard I need to do. Now, everything tells me that I should choose this one, even though I like this one, the color of this one, a little bit more, because this is the easiest choice. I just need to use the template, slap a paper template here, and I will be done. While this one, even though the color is a lot better, because come on, I shouldn't choose this one, and I will not choose this one because, well, let's admit, this is just a lot of work. In order to make this work, even though it will look beautiful against the ash, I already have the proof of that in the Goliath build. This will look beautiful against the ash, but I will need to plane this side perfectly flat, then I will need to thickness this a little bit better, plane this side, plane the side, because I need to break this